Hi friends, happy spooky season and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to take a go at making a spooky witch cake. Since last year I made witch boots, I decided to make the whole entire witch face. I started out with already pre-stacked, filled, and carved cake, and right now I'm just shaping out her face so that I can know where I'm going to place everything. For her eyebrows, I used cake pop mix because I thought it would be a little easier, but I found out really soon that it was not. And as you can see here, I switched out to fondant to make those really in-depth features for the face. It worked out much better than the cake pop mixture. Okay friends, so it's story time. This cake was originally made to become a beehive cake, but I took so long to create the beehive cake. I've had this cake since spring, so would I eat it? No, but I don't waste cake. I'll just use it to create something that's pertaining to that time or that moment that I'm in. Like this witch cake, it was perfect. When I looked at the beehive, I just automatically knew that it could become a face or something. So what better face to use during spooky season than a witch? At this moment, this cake could have easily became the Green Goblin. Just saying. If you enjoyed that video, you would love these. Hit the like and subscribe button to see more.